Namaskar friends, here is an interesting hands-on program on t-test in Excel. Before starting the program, I convey my sincere gratitude to my subscribers and I request the new audience to kindly subscribe the channel and keep commenting. So let's start the video. Yes, here is t-test for difference between two means. For this, we are given marks of students in school A and marks of students in school B. These are the marks of students in school A, and these are the marks of students in school B. For this, we have to follow a process. We have to assume the null hypothesis first. Here, the assumption of null hypothesis is there is no significant difference between the average marks of students of the two schools. That is, average marks of students of school A is equal to average mark of students of school B. Against the alternative hypothesis, average mark of students of school A is not equal to average mark of students of school B. Level of significance is assumed to be 5%, and here we have got p-value is equal to 38%. We have to see how this 38% is possible. For this, let us click here, and I hope you also try along with me. Click here, then put equal sign, then type t-test, t-test. And here have you seen this t-test? It has been shown here. So click there. After clicking it, then we see this t-test, and here array 1, array 2, tails and type. Array 1 means you just select these marks of students in school A, then put a comma, then again select the marks of students in school B, again put comma, then you say tails. We require tails. For the tails, you go to alternative hypothesis. This alternative hypothesis is of the form unequal to. If it is unequal to form, then mark here 2, otherwise 1. Then come to type. Type means what type of t-test we are now going to conduct. In this case, I am going to conduct the third type. Have you seen here paired? No. Then two sample equal variance? No. Then two sample unequal variance. Why? Because we do not know whether these two situations have equal variances or not. That's why we click here 3 and then put a bracket and then press enter. Yes, it is 0.38 means 38%. So now let us come to the conclusion. Here we have seen this p-value 38% is obviously greater than 5%, which means the null hypothesis cannot be rejected at 5% level of significance. Hence, it can be concluded that there is no significant difference between the average marks of the students of the two schools. I hope you have understood it. If you have any query, you can ask me in the comment box, or I request you to see this hands-on program by doing review process again and again, and I hope you can do. Everybody can do it easily. And so before the end, I request everyone to do the same program to perform again a t-test on this second set. I hope you can do it and write the answer in the comment box. Thank you very much. Keep watching. Have a great day.